We're doing 1920 blasters for Steven. Thank you. Oh, sorry, that stuck. One on the bottom. Genesis LeBron. Genesis Zion. Genesis is blue, right? Well, there's RJ Barrett, rookie. Steven, actually, I think the first or second break of these, we've done several cases. I didn't realize what it was, and we did miss it. The person breaking the boxes who bought the boxes didn't realize it either. He came back like an hour later and said, "Oh, that's a $400 card." Barrett debut. Morant. Man, nice. Will to win Curry. Bowl. Blake Griffin. Russell Westbrook. Didn't we just pull that in the cello? Man, Steven, there you go. Zion Green, rookie. Congrats, man. Number 209. Hachimura debut. Give and go. Kyle Lowry. Not a Genesis, but not bad, right? Oops, sorry. Dominique and DeAndre Hunter. Man, congratulations. Sorry about the focus there. Thanks, Steven. Let me know if you'd like anything else. Congratulations.